Midea Cool Book. Every page, a cooler way. Connect your AC to the Smart Home app in minutes. Step 1. Download. Search Smart Home in Google Play or App Store. Or scan the QR code in your manual. Step 2. Log in. New users, sign up with email or phone. Fast track. Log in with Google, Apple, Facebook. Existing users, enter your credentials. Step 3. Connect. Ensure phone wireless network is on. Auto connect. Tap Add when nearby devices found pops up. Manual connection. Tap Add and select your AC from available devices. No model shown? First connect to wireless network. Then press Remote's LED or Do Not Disturb button 7 decks until AP appears, or press Set plus OK during Wi-Fi blink. Your AC will display connecting during setup. Success! Control coolness from your phone now. That's your quick start to smart home. Download now and experience smarter living. Every page, a cooler way. Midea Cool Book.